Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Our lesson is about measures of central tendency, mean of group data. What is measures of central tendency? It refers to a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within that set of data. We will discuss mean, median, and mode of group data. But first, we will discuss mean of group data. What is mean? Mean is also known as average. How to get the value of the mean? By means of adding all the values divided by the frequency of a dataset. What could be the formula for the mean of group data? Mean, that is the symbol for the mean, it is equal to summation, that is the sum, F, that is the class frequency, X, that could be the midpoint of the class, all over the total frequency, so all over N. In example number 1, the table shown below is the Math 10 scores of 70 students. Calculate the value of mean. So let us first identify the interval. The interval, if we count, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the interval, that is equal to 10. Or you may subtract 50 minus 40, the answer is 10. 30 minus 20, the answer is 10. So as you can see, in each classes, we have the interval that is equal to 10. How about the frequency? The total number of frequency, if we add 15 plus 12 plus 18 plus 14 plus 11, so that is n, that is equal to 70. Let us identify now the midpoint. How to get the value of the midpoint? Lower limit plus the upper limit divided by 2. So in the first class, so the lower limit is 1, the upper limit is 10, so 1 plus 10 divided by 2. So 1 plus 10 is 11 divided by 2, so the midpoint, that is equal to 5.5. In the next one, 11 to 20 class interval, it means the lower limit is 11, the upper limit is 20. 11 plus 20 is 31 divided by 2, that is equal to 15.5. Next, 21 to 30, the lower limit is 21, the upper limit is 30, so 21 plus 30 divided by 2, so that is 51 divided by 2, the answer is 25.5. 31 to 40 interval, so the lower limit is 31, the upper limit is 40, 31 plus 40 divided by 2, the answer is 35.5. And the last one, 41 to 50, the lower limit is 41, the upper limit is 50, so 41 plus 50 divided by 2. So 41 plus 50 divided by 2, the answer is 45.5. Let us continue to solve for the f of x. Frequency, multiply it with the midpoint. So 15 times 5.5, the answer is 82.5. 12 times 15.5, that is 186. 18 times 25.5, that is equal to 459. 14 times 35.5, that is equal to 497. 11 times 45.5, that is equal to 500.5. So let us solve now for the mean. The formula, summation of f times x all over x. So it means we need to add all the value for the f times x. So 82.5 plus 186 plus 459 plus 497 plus 500.5 over 70. The value for the numerator is 1,725 divided by 70. If we divide it, the mean, that is equal to 24.64. So it means, as you can see, the mean class that is between 21 to 30 class interval. As you can see, the mean 24.64 is between 21 to 30. How about example number 2? The table shown below is the weight of 62 persons. Calculate the value of mean. The weight, the class interval, from 100 to 109, we have 7. From 110 to 119, we have 12. From 120 to 129, we have 15. From 130 to 139, we have 14. 140 to 149, we have 14. Let us get the class interval. So the interval, that is 10. From 100 to 109, the interval is equal to 10. How about the frequency? So let us add 7 plus 12 plus 15 plus 14 plus 14. The answer is equal to 62. Let us continue to solve for the midpoint. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So, the lower limit is 100. The upper limit is 109 divided by 2. 100 plus 109 divided by 2. The answer is 104.5. So, we'll put here. Next is 110 up to 119. So, the lower limit is 110. The upper limit is 119. So, 110 plus 119 divided by 2. The answer is 114.5. So, we will put here. Next is 120 up to 129. The lower limit is 120. The upper limit is 129. So 120 plus 129 divided by 2, that is equal to 124.5. The fourth one, 130 to 139. The lower limit is 130. The upper limit is 139. So 130 plus 139 divided by 2. The answer is 134.5. Next is 140 up to 149. So 140 plus 149 divided by 2, the answer is 144.5. So we will put 144.5 here. Let us continue to solve for the f of x. Let us multiply frequency times the midpoint. 7 times 104.5, the answer is equal to 731.5. 12 times 114.5, that is equal to 1,374. 15 times 124.5, that is 1,867.5. 14 times 134.5, that is equal to 1,883. 14 times 144.5, that is equal to 2,023. So let us get now the value for the mean. The formula, summation of f of x all over n. So we need to add all of the value of the f of x. 731.5, 1,374 plus 1,867.5 plus 1,883 plus 2,023 divided by the value of n, that is equal to 62. If we add all, the value of the numerator is 7,879 divided by the value of n, that is equal to 62. So the mean, that is equal to 127.08. So 127.08 is between the class interval 120 up to 129. Let us recap what you have learned about the measures of central tendency, mean of group data. It is very important in the mean of group data that you have the frequency distribution table. How to find the mean of group data? To identify the mean of the group data, first, let us get the value of the frequency distribution table. Second, the mean formula. The importance in the frequency distribution table, we have the class interval, the frequency, the midpoint, and then the f times x, we multiply frequency times the midpoint. The formula for the mean of group data, that is mean, it is equal to the summation of f times x all over n. Instruction, complete the table and find the mean of group data. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.